So that's how they look. You can get the one that has the one for honey, but me, I wanted for spice jar. Once we clean them, I'll show you how I put my spice jar. So when you unbox it, that's how it comes. Then you assemble it. Assembling this is so easy. You just open, remove the small spoon and fix it there. And that's how it looks. So we bought these 6 of them. As you can see, there are 6. I don't use so many spices, so that's why I never went for many. But if my spices want to be enough, I'll go for more. Yeah. So we'll put that aside. I got some batteries that we are going to use for our watch, and the one I got my son some toy, so that's where we are going to use it. The next thing, we have this. That's an oil and vinegar bottle. Wow. I've always wanted to have this in my kitchen. So that's how it looks. We got one. My oil dispenser looks like. And this is the top. So basically you just like that. You open. This is an improvement to our kitchen. Remember, we are doing a makeover for our kitchen. That's a project that is coming up soon, so stay tuned. So this part of, since I don't want to buy everything at once, and you see the economy the way it is, so I'm buying things little by little. When we're going to do the reveal of the kitchen, you'll be able to see. But this is my oil dispenser. Is there anything else in here? That's a battery. And some receipts. We got these also. Then we got these. These are masher. As you can see, it's a very strong one. Yeah. And I'm happy for this. What else? I've been looking for this thing for a very long time. You can see this is a washable tablecloth. So I'm going to use this one, and I'll give you a review on how it works. And I'm so happy to try it out. We have this. These are sieve. This one, because we like baking, so I thought I should get this to sieve my flour. We also got a grater. Let's just remove it. That's how it looks, and I love it. The next thing, I got our son some very, very nice plates. I got 2 of them. I'll add more, but I just love the way it looks. Then next we have our silicone kitchen utensil set with a wooden handle and bucket storage. As you can see here, our kitchen, we are going with black and white for the kitchen. So most of the things we are buying are black. So let's unbox this. Wow. That's how the set looks like. I went with the black one, so we can remove this. Amazing. Ooh. Looks so nice. So we have this. We have this. Wow. Finally, we have a silicone brush for baking. I'm so happy. So we have this one also for we have this. We have this. We have a whisker. My whisk is stronger than this, but I wouldn't mind having another whisk. We have a pair of, they're called tongs. Finally, our kitchen has these. Oh my goodness, yes. So we have these ones. We'll figure out how to open them up. I think there's somewhere you need to open or something. Yes. Ooh. Finally, then you lock it. Oh my goodness, yes, you can lock it actually. I love that. What else have we left? Oh, there's something else here. We also have this. And that's how it looks. I went with the black one. As you can see, my kitchen, we are going with black and white. Some things are white, some things are black. So that's how it looks. And I love it. The last one, but not the least, went with these soup bowls. But the reason I bought these, actually I bought them for another work. As you can all see, I just bought 6 of them. Let's just open them and see. They're really wrapped. Let me get a knife. That's how the soup plates look like. They are sizable enough. So I got 6 of them. So basically that's what we got for our mini haul. And once I clean them and organize my spices here, I'll be able to show you. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We're on the road to 250 subscribers. I know we can do it. Stay tuned for more videos, more fun, and we love you all. Bye.